Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix BSOD with IRQL underscore not underscore less underscore or underscore equal. So the first thing what you need to do here, if you're getting this error, you need to go on search, and then here you need to just write check for updates, and then you need to press this button. And basically, if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. And after that, restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And also, if you're using some sort of third-party antivirus software like McAfee, Kaspersky, Avast, or something like that, please turn off or delete or disable antivirus, and then just restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. And if the problem still persists, then you just need to right click on your Windows logo, then you need to go to device manager, then you need to go to the network adapters, and what you need to do here is to update your network adapters. So click on the adapter, then right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers here, and basically do with all the adapters here. Same thing with your sound basically and video here things. You just need to right click, update driver, search automatically, and do with all of them, right? And after that, restart your computer and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.